Explanation for question 3. We download the model, define its category names, color those names. Now for the first one, we apply the mask, given the image, mask, color, and then alpha, which is just occupancy. We would turn the segmentation mask, and then whilst the image is running, we change the image from an image to a PIL to a torch tensor, and then input that into the model. And then from the model, we have our two heads. We have the one for the mask and then one for the boundary box. The mask gets filtered into that function said earlier, and then for the box, we draw a box on the outer skirts of the image. And then what we do essentially is we combine the two and then print it out into this I am show. And that's question 3. Hi, for question 4, much of it is the same as in question 3. The differences are we have a mask center, where given a mask, we identify a center by taking the mean of it in 2 directions and then return it to x and y. And then we also have principal axis, which firstly gathers and collects all the coordinates of the pixel that make up the object. Then it applies the PCA library, or the PCA function, to identify the point in which the vectors are going. And then we calculate the axis by calculating the 2 vectors that represent the PCA, or the principal axis. And much of it is just input and output file, getting the frame height, reading the input file, and then for each of the input file, we first get the mask array. Well, we firstly input into the model. From the model, we get out its multi-headed output. We get the mask array, the center, as defined earlier, and then both the mean, the direction 1 and direction 2 of the principal axis of the function we defined earlier. And then the rest is more just on how to draw it out onto the screen, and then we out that as a file.